Hey, welcome back guys. Nothing initially advertised the phone one has been capable of reaching a maximum peak brightness of 1200 nits only in certain HDR video scenarios. This didn't seem out of the ordinary, as all of the currently advertised 1200 plus nit peak brightness rates for all smartphones are not achievable in general day-to-day use, only in some HDR content. And as it turns out, the Nothing Phone 1 can't go all the way up to 1200 nits, at least not right now. That's because while the underlying display hardware is capable of reaching that peak, software is currently preventing it from going past 700 nits. A Nothing spokesperson sent us this statement. The hardware is capable of reaching up to 1200 nits peak brightness, but this is currently capped by the software to 700 nits. This decision was made to ensure a balanced user experience regarding heat and battery consumption. We look forward to hearing from our users about this and will monitor feedback closely to understand if this should be addressed in the future software updates. Seems like Nothing's hardware team, software team and marketing team weren't communicating very well on this matter, since the 1200 nit figure has been seen in the market and documents all over. And technically, that is theoretically accurate if the panel is capable of going that far, but if there's software cap of 700 nits, then that's the more realistic figure to advertise, isn't it? That's it for now. See you in the next one.